We've just finished our live masterclass on how to draft and negotiate remote interpreting contracts. And boy, oh boy, was it great. So much excitement. People were thrilled about this template we've put together for them, right, Tony?
Yes, Josh, it doesn't get better than that. People have the tools that they did now to be able to go out there and come out with a contract that is going to benefit them and is going to protect them. And it's very user-friendly.
That's right. We've designed it to be a cut and paste template so you can take the sections you need, adapt it to your contract, and then bring it to your lawyer to make sure it's in line with your national legislation, keeping you protected the whole time. 10 plus pages. We've thought of everything we think, and we are so excited to have shared that with you. It was a blast to answer your questions as well. And of course, all of those questions are included with the recording. But that's not it. We also talked about negotiating techniques, right, Tony?
Yes, we talked about what you need to do as an interpreter. So in any negotiation with any client, you are always on a win-win situation. Not by taking advantage of somebody else, but by getting everybody what they want the most. It's really useful.
Useful is the key word here. Useful negotiating techniques, a useful template, and useful protection for your remote interpreting assignments. So we hope you'll pick up a copy of how to draft and negotiate remote interpreting contracts. You get this recording, you get the question and answer session, you get the 10 plus page cut and paste template. You also get our handouts with these negotiating techniques. So it's pretty incredible. You get lifetime access to the recording and any future modifications we might make. And hey, we might even run a live edition someday. If so, you'll get an invite.
Awesome.